Hi, so in this video, we're going to be solving system of equation by substitution, right? So we saw earlier that when we solve a system of equation, especially when we are solving by graphing, we're finding the intercept on those two lines. So where are they have a point in common, right? So now I'm going to start by isolating the y. Why this variable over here? Why this y over here? Because this has a coefficient of 1 and it's going to be easier for us to solve. So I have negative 2x plus y equals 5. So I'm going to add 2x on both sides. So y equals 2x plus 5. Now, I know that my y equals 2x plus 5. So whatever the value of x, y equals twice the value of x plus 5. So that means that my other equation, remember that we solved the second equation. So my other equation, in the y, I can substitute 2x plus 5. So I have 2x plus 6 times 2x plus 5 equals 16. Right? I'm going to distribute here. So 2x plus 12x plus 30 equals 16. So I'm going to simplify. 14x plus 30 equals 16. I'm going to subtract 30 on both sides. So 14x equals negative 14. And now I'm just going to divide by 14. So x equals negative 1. Right? But now that I know x, I need to find y. Right? I can substitute in any of those two equations and then solve, or I can just substitute here to make sure that I have it. So I'm going to substitute here. So y equals 2 times negative 1 plus 5. So negative 2 plus 5 equals 3. So my solution is the point negative 1, 3. Right? How can I check my work? I can plug this equation on the other equation that I used to substitute. So I'm going to substitute here. So I have 2 times negative 1 plus 6 times 3 has to equal 16. So negative 2 plus 18 equals 16, and 16 equals 16. So that means that this is my solution. The next one, so I have negative 6x plus 3y equals negative 4, and negative 2x plus y equals negative 4. So let's solve that second equation also for y. It does not have to be always for y, but this case is going to be easy. So I'm going to add 2x on both sides. So y equals 2x minus 4. Okay. Now I'm going to substitute that on the second one. So 6x plus 3 times 2x minus 4 equals negative 4. So negative 6x plus 6x minus 12 equals negative 4. These two cancel out, and I have negative 4 equals to negative 12 equals to negative 4. And as we know, this is not true. So that means that in this case, we have no solution. The next one, again, I'm going to solve for y, but in this case, I'm going to solve the first equation. So 5x plus y equals 9 minus 5x, y equals negative 5x plus 9. Now I'm going to plug that on my second equation. So 2x plus 4 times negative 5 plus 9 equals 14. So negative 2x minus 20x plus 36 equals 14. So negative 22x plus 36 equals 14 minus 36. Negative 22x equals negative 22. And negative 22. So x equals 1. Now I'm going to plug the 1 here. So y equals 5. Negative 5 times 1 plus 9. So negative 5 plus 9 equals 4. So my solution is the point 1, 4. Let's check work. So negative 2 times 1 plus 4 times 4. So negative 2 plus 16. And 14 equals 14. So this is my solution. Next one. So in this case, I'm going to solve for x because I can solve it here for x or for y. But because we have that negative, it's going to be easier for us to solve for x. So x minus y equals 11. I'm going to add y on both sides. So x equals y plus 11. I'm going to substitute in the second equation. So 3 times y plus 11 minus 3y equals 33. And as you can see, I'm substituting for x instead of y. So 3y plus 33 minus 3y equals 33. 3y and negative 3y cancel out. So I have 33 equals 33. And this equality is true, right? 33 equals 33. So in this case, we're going to write that I have infinite many solution. That means that there's a lot of points that you can plug in here and they're going to solve it. That means that when I trace those two lines, they're going to be the same, right? If you see, if I simplify my second equation, if I divide everything by 3, I'm going to have x minus y equals 11. And as you can see, are the same equation. The next one. So in this case, I don't have any number that I can that has a coefficient as 1, right? So I can solve for any variables. Analyzing the x's, I think this is going to be easier for us to solve for the second equation because I have a 0 there. So I'm going to add 6x on both sides. 6x, so 2y equals 6x, and then I'm going to divide by 2. So y equals 3x. Okay. Now I'm going to plug 3x on the first equation. So 3x minus 2 times 3x equals 3. So 3x minus 6x equals 3. So negative 3x equals 3. So x equals negative 1. And y equals 3 times negative 1 equals negative 3. So my solution is 3.1, negative 3. Right, so I'm going to check on the first one. So 3 times negative 1 minus 2 times negative 3. So negative 3 plus 6 and 3 equals 3. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.